Alright guys, so in order to go from regular reflector to LED light strip on the back, just pop it out and find anywhere you can feed that wire from underneath the bumper to go to the inside. I chose to go right through here to this little water guard, whatever, this little sealant thing. Go through here. All you're gonna want to do is connect the appropriate wires to the appropriate connections. So from reflector to the actual car, you want black to black. Then you want from the reflector to the car's lights, you want red to green. And then you want white to red. I just use this, I forgot what this is called, but it basically joins the two wires. It clamps them both with a piece of metal so that they can share the same current. I'll go ahead and do the next one, close this up, and then show you guys how the lights look.
Alright, so just how I did on the passenger side over here, just stick a couple screwdrivers down there, pop out the reflector, and make sure you feed the wiring for the LED lights through there first. You don't want to smush them. Tying that up. Now next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feed a small little rope through the inside so it can fall kind of alongside the bumper underneath. Then I'm gonna remove this splash guard right here. I'm gonna remove that because otherwise I can't get in there. I'm gonna join the wires from that LED light right here, and I'm gonna make a knot with that rope. Next I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rope up right here, pulling the rope up, that way I can get the wires all the way back up.
Okay.
I don't know what they're called.
I used to know. After you got this whole mess going on, you want to cut any excess wires, all this kind of stuff, and just use some electrical tape to secure it back how it should be. Go ahead and brake. Yeah, keep going. Just on and off.